السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Why the Holy Quran has 30 Ajza? What is a Ruku' in the Holy Quran and what's special about it? What is a Manazil or a Ahzab and what is the purpose of these? The Holy Quran is divided into 30 almost equal in size parts called Ajza. One part is called the Juz. It is believed that this division was made to serve as teaching aid for children. This division also allows one to recite the entire Holy Quran in a month, as there are on average 30 days in a month. This division has nothing to do with the subjects or meanings of the Holy Quran. That is why some Ajza end with an unfinished statement. Another division of the Holy Quran is that of Ruku'. The English translation of Ruku' is a section. This division of the Holy Quran is used in some Muslim countries, especially in the subcontinent of India and Pakistan. The term Ruku' means to bow, which is one of the obligatory acts of Salah. Ruku' marks an average portion of a surah that may be recited in one rak'ah of Salah, after which one can bow in Ruku'. Muslims pray 20 rak'ah of Tarawih every night during the month of Ramadan. Reciting one Ruku' in every rak'ah means reciting 20 Ruk'at per night. Ruk'at is plural of Ruku'. The total number of Ruku'at in the Holy Quran is 540. Therefore, reciting 20 Ruku'at every night makes it possible to complete the recitation of the entire Holy Quran on the 27th night of Ramadan. 20 times 27 equals 540. Another method divides the Holy Quran into 7 portions called Ahzab or Manazil. One portion is called Ahzab or Manazil. This division was made to allow one to recite the entire Holy Quran in a week. We should all recite the Holy Quran every day, as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will reward us for every letter we recite from the Holy Quran. As the Holy Quran is a source of guidance, understanding its teachings will make us better human beings as a whole. جزاك الله خير وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.